Tired of seeing AdSense disapproval emails after pouring your heart and soul into your Wix website? Don't worry, this video will give you the essential tips and tricks to optimize your Wix site and drastically improve your chances of getting approved for Google AdSense. First, let's talk content Google loves: original. High-quality content that provides value to your visitors. Make sure your articles are well-written, informative, and unique. Avoid simply copying and pasting content from other websites, as this is a major red flag for AdSense. Aim for in-depth articles, helpful tutorials, or engaging blog posts that showcase your expertise and keep users engaged. Next, think about site navigation. Google needs to easily crawl and understand your website. Make sure you create a clear and intuitive navigation menu so visitors can easily find what they're looking for. A user-friendly website not only helps Google, but also provides a better experience for your users, which AdSense values. Now, let's talk about website policies. Make sure you have essential pages like a privacy policy, terms of service, and an About Us page. These pages establish trust and transparency with your website visitors and are necessary for AdSense approval. Finally, carefully review Google AdSense's policies to ensure your website doesn't violate any of their guidelines before applying. Double-check that your website is not promoting any illegal activities, hate speech, or violence. Be especially cautious if you are creating content on sensitive topics. By following these simple tips, you can significantly increase your chances of getting your Wix website approved for Google AdSense. Remember to focus on creating valuable content, providing a user-friendly experience, and adhering to Google's policies, and you'll be one step closer to earning revenue with contextual advertising. Go get that approval.